Now you know what negative numbers are and can add and subtract them, a la M010 and M011, it's time to start multiplying and dividing them. Multiplying negatives by positives is pretty straightforward. Let's take a look at the example we used in last lesson, where Joe Bloggs is sitting at home and gets slapped with a bill. Bang! That's £300 from his account. Negative 300. If he gets slapped with that same bill 3 times, bang, 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 that's negative 900 from the account. So, negative 300 times 3 became negative 900. Easy, yes? Makes sense. Similarly, if Joe Bloggs was slapped with a £1,000 fine, that's negative 1,000. But if he shared that out with 4 friends, that's only negative 250 to each of their accounts. They're only losing £250 each. So negative 1,000 divided by 4 equals negative 250. Now the confusing bit, multiplying and dividing negatives by negatives. Well, what would happen if we were to take away the 3 lots of the minus £300, the £300 bill that Joe Bloggs got? He would in fact regain his £900, wouldn't he? So minus 3 times the minus 300 became positive 900, or just 900. This is always true of multiplying or dividing a negative by a negative. Quick trick way of figuring this out when you're in the heat of the moment, trying desperately to figure out some sort of maths equation, is to think of it like this. We know that a negative multiplied or divided by a positive gives you a negative number, and we know that a negative multiplied or divided by a negative gives you a positive number. In short, if the signs are the same, it's a positive answer. If the signs are different, it's a negative answer. Remember, if a number is positive, we don't tend to write the positive bit down. We don't say positive 3 times positive 2 equals positive 6. We just say 3 times 2 equals 6. Try out the following questions to see if you've got this in your head. Pause the video and restart once you've jotted down your answers. And here they come. A, negative 3 times 4 is negative 12. B, negative 8 times 2 is negative 16. C, 2 times negative 5 is negative 10. And D, negative 6 times negative 4 is 24. Positive number. E, negative 6 divided by 3 is negative 2. F, 4 divided by negative 1 is negative 4. G, negative 25 divided by negative 5 is 5, 2 negatives there giving it the positive answer. And then finally, minus 12, negative 12 divided by 6 is negative 2. If you manage that and you now can order negative numbers, add and subtract them, multiply and divide them, then you have done everything I want you to be able to do in this unit. You can shift on over to M013 to test out your skills with another big brain buster. If you struggled though, don't worry, you can go back, have another look, or as always, grab yourself a teacher.